Today we are going to discuss about the projection of lines when line incline to both HP and VP. For this I am considering a problem. A 70 mm long line PQ has an end P at 20 mm above the HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP and 30 degrees to the VP. Draw its projections. So this is a problem on line inclined to both HP and VP. So first write the given data. Length of the line, that is line length PQ is equal to 70 mm. One end at P at a distance of 20 mm above the HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So the line is inclined to HP and inclined to VP. So theta is equal to inclined to HP, that is 45 degrees, and phi inclined to VP, that is 30 degrees to VP. So this problem is solved in two stages. That is, first we have to consider it to inclined to HP and then inclined to VP. Whenever the line is inclined to HP, you drop front view and top view, then inclined to VP, drop front view and top view, then go for inclined to both the planes. Okay, for this I am considering profile planes or reference planes, HP and VP. So this is HP and this is VP. So this is XY line. So when the line is inclined to both HP and VP, so the point initially one end is P 20 mm above the HP and 40 mm 30 mm in front of VP. So mark that point one end. After that go for inclination. So theta is equal to 45 degrees and then phi is equal to 30 degrees. So finally the line is like that. In that situation you have to draw the projection, so that is front view and top view. So it is not possible to draw when the line is inclined to both HP and VP in a single step, single direct. So for that we need to consider the line initially inclined to HP. In that case draw front view and top view, and when the line is inclined to VP, in such case draw front view and top view, then go for final view. Okay, so now that is the front view, P dash Q dash from front, and PQ is a top view, that is from top. So the line is 20 mm above XY line, 30 mm in front of VP, 30 mm below XY line. So this is a projection of line. So first you consider when the line is inclined to HP. In such case front view is an inclined line and top view is a horizontal line. Draw it. First initially the P is 20 mm above XY, and from P dash to next 45 degrees to HP, it is an inclined line. P dash Q dash, that is 45 degrees. So this is the front view and the line is inclined to HP. For top view project the points P dash Q dash below XY line. Below XY line the length is 30 mm and top view is a line, horizontal line. This is the projections when the line is inclined to HP. Similarly, when the line is inclined to VP, first to draw the top view, PQ, at an angle of 30 degrees. So project the points PQ for getting front view when the line is inclined to VP. So PQ, or mark it as Q1 dash and Q1. So this is Q2 dash and Q2. So now final projection, draw the locus of Q2 and the locus of Q1 dash. Okay, so to get the final front view and top view, draw the arc from B dash to take a radius as P dash Q2 dash onto the locus of Q1 dash. So P dash Q dash is the final front view. So next to draw the arc from P to locus of Q2 with radius of P Q1. So PQ is the final top view. So P dash Q dash is the front view and PQ is the top view. So this is a solution for line when it is inclined to both HP and VP. So next problem, midpoint problem. It is also very important. In the previous problem, the point is given that P at a distance of HP and VP. So now it is given that midpoint is given. In that case, what you have to do? Let us see. So first, you write the given data. Line length PQ is equal to, AB is equal to 100 mm. Inclined line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP theta, and 45 degrees to 30 degrees to 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. Theta is 30, phi is 45. So in this case, what you have to do is we have to first draw the midpoint location. How much distance it is comes above HP and in front of VP. That is M. You can say midpoint M. 35 mm above the HP. M is, and 50 mm in front of VP. In front of VP. So in this case, we have to draw HP and VP reference planes. HP, VP and XY line. So for this, first consider midpoint. How much it comes above XY line, how much comes it below XY line based on above HP and in front of VP. First locate midpoint instead of end. So after that, draw the projections when it is inclined to HP and inclined to VP. Similarly, same both the planes. Okay, now draw XY line. And first locate the M point M midpoint. It is 35 mm above XY line. M dash. And 50 mm below XY line, 50 mm in front of this, so it is below XY line 50 mm. So from midpoint M dash and M we know. So based on this midpoint, we have to draw the front view and top view when it is inclined to HP and when it is inclined to VP. So from when it is inclined to HP, theta value 30 degrees. So you have to draw half of the line above midpoint because we know the midpoint location only. So Q1 dash MQ1 dash is a 50 mm at 30 degrees angle, and P1 dash M dash is the remaining half of the line. So that is the front view and it is inclined to HP. So for top view, project that line to below XY line. So it is a horizontal line, so it comes below XY line 50 mm. So P1 and Q1, P1 and Q1. That is top view when it is inclined to 30 degrees HP. Next, when inclined to VP 45 degrees to first to draw the top view, because we are observing true length in top view, half of below M, half of above M, P2, M, Q2, at an angle of 45 degrees. So this is the top view. And for front view, draw the projections from P2, Q2 to locus of M dash. That is P2 dash, Q2 dash is the top view when it is inclined to VP. Now we have to get the final front view and top view onto the locus of Q1 dash, P1 dash front view, and Q2 and P2 top view locus. Draw the locus. So now to project the arcs from M dash to Q2 dash, M dash as center and up to locus of Q1 dash. So M dash Q1 dash is the final front view. And again draw the remaining of P2 dash, M dash, P2 dash as radius and locus of P2. So that is a final front view. So similarly, final top view, so we are going to draw by the projection of MQ1 to the locus of Q2, MQ1 as a radius, and similarly MP1 up to locus of P2, MP1. So PQ is the final top view. So this is the procedure to draw the projection. So that is front view and top view when the midpoint is given instead of end point. Okay, this is very important problem. So we need to remember that you have to draw the half of the portion above midpoint and remaining half below midpoint. That is the thing only you have to remember. Remaining everything is same as the problem inclined to both the reference planes. So this is a solution of midpoint problem, very important. Thank you.